This morning, Hillsborough County Schools say they need more money for security and mental health implements. Today, school officials met with State Representative Adam Hattersley to talk about what they need ahead of this year's legislative session. The county says they're fully compliant with Florida's new School Safety Act. They have armed, trained first responders at every public school, but they want to fully fund security and mental health requirements.
Funding mandate is substantial. There's a $7 million funding loss here in a shortfall here in Hillsborough County just around staffing security and staffing the mental health. And the mental health piece is about training every single employee on mental health first aid. And that's a huge lift. We have 6,000 employees that have to be trained.
So we appreciate you. School board member Cindy Stewart spoke with students at King High School in Tampa today to hear their concerns and what they want to see in their schools. The recommended ration for social workers is one for every 250 students. Currently, Hillsborough schools have one social worker for every 955 students. Right now, you are seeing a mugshot of a man, or we're taking it down. Thank you very much. Okay. The goal for Hillsborough County Schools is to increase per pupil funding to hire sufficient officers and mental health workers to keep your kids safe.